Hey, it's Marko, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to block someone on Facebook Messenger. So what you want to do is you want to open up your Messenger and basically click on any chats you have. So for example, I will click with this one, and you want to click on the top, and then you have an option to mute. So you can mute notifications, call messages and call notifications. But as you can see, if you go down a bit, you have block. And basically, if you click block, you will block their messages and calls. And that's pretty much it. That's how you do it. If you like this video, please subscribe and leave a comment if this video has helped you out. If you're still having some problems, let me know what was the problem in the comments down below.